How to fix chat error c.ai app. So just depends on the which error you have. If you just try to go to the chat and like it's just not loading, as you can see, for example here, like as in here, the message is just not sending. Like, so that's just another issue. So you need to go and swipe it up and then try load again. So that's the first way. And then try to chat again. Another error can be if the chat is just not loading. As you can see here, it can take like 30 seconds to load, which is not normal. As you can see here, the chat is just not loading. So usually, these bugs happen when the app is glitchy and is overloaded. So your solution is just, simple. It's just you need to wait like at least few hours or one day. Usually just try another day and that's it. Because this app can be quite glitchy. If it has overload of users, then it just doesn't work. And it was a problem on this app for the last year. Seems it's still not solved. And especially during the weekends, the app becomes quite glitchy and you don't need to upgrade. So some people think like, hey, if I just upgrade to c.ai plus, it will solve all my problems. But in fact, it won't, because if app servers are down, that's just not gonna fix the issue. So that's just what it is anyway. So